Okay, well, this is the day after. Looking oh damn, trying to stay out of the water as much as possible. Yes, I'm taking a walk again, but yeah, this weather, sorry, isn't good for biking of any sorts. No, it's not. It's hard to get out of a alley without stepping through tons of water. Because I'm going to walk on the road in the wrong direction on a one-way. Don't worry, we got another storm coming through on Tuesday. So I'm just videotaping my walk. And my neighbor John is and the guy in that truck is my neighbor. Yeah, but Mother Nature ain't done with winter yet. No, she's not. Yes, the head view is pretty awesome sometimes. I gotta watch out for cars. So you got the right of way. Yes, they do. But yeah, even this right now at like 37 degrees is slippery under the feet. So when it gets cold tonight, this is all going to turn into ice capades. Yes, ice. I'm not taking a long walk. I'm going to Holiday. And I might as well just take the alley. Because I can see that the sidewalks ain't done pretty much anywhere. But yeah. Yeah, I hear people talking everywhere. Probably gonna see my camera and go, what the fuck? He's videotaping. Yeah, yesterday I did a lot of things I didn't put on video. Pushed out a bunch of cars. Try to keep people off camera. Yeah, hard to stay out of water. Unless you want to get wet. I don't like getting wet. I'll take you down past the college and then I'll shut you off. Because I don't like making long walking videos. Because nobody, well, yeah, people like to see them. Damn. At least the people are stopping for stop signs, which is nice. Barden Park, established 1835. A long time ago. Yes, it is. But at the end of the front of the St. Cloud State University, I will stop you and then I'll add on my rest of my walk. Well, some more of my walk when I go downtown. But at least the college sidewalks are pretty much done. Looking good. So, yeah. Alright, well there I'm at the end of St. Cloud State. I'll walk you down to Holiday, but that would be probably a full video. I don't want to do a totally full video. Alright, well just be a second for you guys. Well, it seems like a lot of people ain't happy with Mother Nature. Because they look at the forecast for Tuesday and Wednesday because they don't want more snow, because it happens. Yes, it does. Me, I'm in Minnesota, I don't care. I've seen snow in May, so this ain't nothing fucking new. No, it's not. Nothing new. Nice Dodge Ram. Nice. Sounds nice. Looks decent. I ain't gonna make this green light. No, I'm not. So we'll just have to phase that out a little bit. Yes, we will. Fuck. I don't trust it. Alright, stop you there. Yeah, walk sign is on. Yes, it is. Just another day in Minnesota. Just another day in Minnesota. Enjoying the weather. Snow everywhere, and I don't care. People doing nothing everywhere, everywhere. Minnesota. Alright. These pretty girls. Look at the beautiful calm day. Put everybody on camera because I don't fucking care. Yes, now I'm walking to Capital One. Yes, I am. Because I can. Never know what cars are doing, where they're going. Damn. Yep. That's the parking ramp. But look at all this beautiful new heavy ass fucking snow. Look at that. Ain't that fucking wonderful? Yeah. Yes, this is gonna be a long walk. Because now I'm going to Capital One. Trying to get my damn exercise. I'll stop you. Fuck, I'll stop you when I get there. Yeah, I can say it's a miserable day for biking, but a beautiful day for walking everywhere. Yeah, walking everywhere. Story of life. Jets Pizza, Life Back, Law Firm, Kohinoor Bar and Grill. Alright, I'm gonna stop you here for a second. Yeah, well, Capital One is down. Their ATM is out of service right now. Just letting people know. Yeah, just letting people know. Well, there. Yeah, not all the sidewalks are done, so fuck. What a day. I don't know which way I want to go home. I don't. No, I don't. Don't know how long this video is gonna be. Too damn long. At least walking, I can cut through shit. I can cut through spaces my e-bike can't cut through. Well, happens. Yes, it does. So no, my day didn't really pan out. I want to go to the ATM. ATM shut down. Shit. What a day. Alright, I'm gonna stop you here. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you the next time I video something. Alright. I know, I'm just adding a little bit on. Head on the walk up to Division Street, Highway 23, St. Cloud, Minnesota. Alright, stay safe. Be good. And I'll see y'all, talk to y'all later. I just thought I'd get this on video a little bit. Hopefully the guy feels better. They're taking him to the hospital from the school. So I just wanted to put it on video because it's by my house. I stand down here and watch him leave. Yeah. Yeah. Let's watch him leave. Nice. Charlie Brown TV. Cop cars. Ambulance. There goes the Mayo Clinic ambulance. Nice. And I think the other cop was parked the other way, so. Alright. Now to walk back to my house without getting soaking wet. Yes, I'm carrying my camera. Decided not to put it on my head. Yeah. Here. Let's stick it on my head for a minute. Yeah. Oh, that makes a better ending. Well, not a better, but yeah, I don't like to see people going in because they're sick, but seeing people helping people is nice. So yes, my neighbor Aaron decided to snow blow this for me. So yeah. That makes me happy. Alright, hope everybody's dealing with it. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Charlie Brown, over and out.